Why, yes, I did just knock over my light. Hey guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Failary, or Hillary if you prefer. Today I will be fixing my chair, my little love seat. I have two cats, as you've seen in a previous video. One named Arrow, one named Enzo. And Arrow kindly uses all of the scratching posts. Enzo does not. He uses my furniture. So the main one he uses is my love seat, and I've been trying to figure out a way to make it look better. Unfortunately, he's destroyed the corners pretty good. And then I found something on Pinterest that I wanted to try. Yes, I know what you're thinking. Probably gonna be another Pinterest fail. Actually, I don't think it is. I think it turns out pretty good. Heather Young posted this on Pinterest to update her tattered sofa, as she puts it. So for this project, you're gonna need a couple of supplies. Doilies, I ordered those off of Amazon. I will put a link for the ones that I got in the description below. Pair of scissors, embroidery floss, upholstery needles. I started off using just a regular embroidery needle. It didn't work very well. It really hurt my finger trying to curve with a straight needle. I highly recommend getting upholstery needles. They're like $3 on Amazon. I'll link the ones that I got down below for the last two doilies that I did. Fabri-Tac. It is a fabric glue, and it works really well. Glue the doily down first, and then you sew it in. I tried leaving it just glued on, and it just did not look like it was supposed to be there. It looked like it was just left there. So first, what I did was I sewed the two ends together. So he completely scratched a hole in it, so I tried to pull the fabric as tight as I could first, using the same color thread as the couch itself, or love seat. And then after I did that, before I did that, I glued the pieces together, and then I embroidered them together. And then I put glue all over the back of the doily, put it on there, waited for it to dry, and then I embroidered it on there. And I think it turned out really nice. It's a really good way to fix your furniture before you have a chance to buy a new one, or while you're trying to get your cat to stop. I know you can get soft paws to put over their nails. It does not work with him. He will sit there and he will chew them off, and it becomes a real problem. Make sure while you do this, you shame your cat who did it. I did so by telling him he was a freeloader. And then actually for a little bit, my other cat, Arrow, came over and sat on my lap and helped me work on the project. So yeah, that's basically everything that I did for fixing the chair. In the middle of working on it, I had somebody come to my house to tell me about Jesus, so I had to pause for that, and paused for lunch, obviously. Actually, this happened over a couple days because I did have to stop when I decided that I was going to order upholstery needles. So I want to introduce something new. I am going to start recognizing an artist from my Discord for every single video. Today I will be recognizing Piche? I'm sorry, I'm murdering your name, but they did this beautiful piece of what looks to be like a steampunk owl, and it just turned out so good, and I was really happy with the result, and I wanted to give them the recognition that they deserve. So go follow them on Instagram and tell them that I sent you. And thank you everybody for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you all in the next one. Bye bye.